Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your EarthLink Wi-Fi name and password. First, make sure your device is connected to your EarthLink Wi-Fi network. You need to be connected to the network that comes from your EarthLink router. If you are not connected, open your Wi-Fi settings and join your current network before moving to the next step. Now open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type your router's IP address. In most cases, this will be 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then press Enter on your keyboard. You will now see the router login page. Enter the admin username and password. If you have never changed these details, check the sticker on the back or bottom of your router. The default username is often admin, and the default password may also be admin or printed on the label. After you log in, look for a section called Wireless, Wi-Fi, or Wireless Settings. Click on that section to open your wireless network settings. You will see a field labeled SSID. This is the name of your Wi-Fi network. Delete the old name and type in the new name you want to use. Next, find the field labeled Password, WPA key, or Security key. Enter a new strong password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security if available. Make sure your password is hard to guess. Click Apply or Save to confirm the changes. Your router may restart. After that, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Thanks for watching.